Welcome to a tutorial on making your Instagram appear offline. Let's begin. First, open up the Instagram app. Tap on your profile page. When you are on your profile page, tap on the Settings button at the top right of the screen. On the Settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see the option to show activity status. You want to make sure that this option is off. You will now appear offline to your Instagram friends and followers. If you want to appear online again, you will need to go back into the settings and re-enable that option. And that draws an end to this short tutorial on appearing offline on Instagram. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.